Looking for the best drones of 2025? Whether you're into photography, videography, or just starting as a drone enthusiast, we've got the top picks for every need and budget. Stay tuned to discover the latest features and innovations in the drone world this year. If you want to know about price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. V11 Pro Drone. Welcome to our review of the V11 Pro drone, a standout contender for the best drones 2025. If you're searching for the ultimate drone, packed with professional-grade features and designed for enthusiasts of all levels, this quadcopter deserves your attention. Equipped with an 8K camera and a 3-axis gimbal, the V11 Pro delivers ultra-stable footage with incredible clarity, making it one of the best drones for photography 2025. Its 1/2 CMOS sensor ensures superior low-light performance, perfect for capturing breathtaking shots during golden hour or nighttime adventures. This drone isn't just for professionals, it's also among the top drones for beginners 2025. With intuitive controls, advanced stabilization, and intelligent flight modes like Follow Me and Waypoint navigation, it's easy to pilot whether you're a newbie or a seasoned flyer. The V11 Pro offers a remarkable 80 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries, allowing for extended exploration. Plus, the 6 km video transmission range ensures seamless, real-time footage streaming, even during long-distance flights. Whether you're capturing cinematic videos or exploring new terrains, the V11 Pro drone combines innovation, durability, and unmatched performance. Don't miss out. This could be the perfect drone for your 2025 adventures. Number 2. Holy Stone GPS Drone. The Holy Stone GPS Drone HS360S is quickly becoming one of the best drones 2025, offering a perfect blend of advanced features and affordability. Weighing just 249 g, this foldable quadcopter is ideal for both adults and beginners who want to explore the world of drones without breaking the bank. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera, the HS360S delivers stunning video and photo quality, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking to capture high-definition footage. With 5G transmission, you can enjoy a crystal-clear live feed from distances up to 10,000 feet, providing a truly immersive flying experience. As one of the most affordable drones 2025, it doesn't sacrifice on performance. The brushless motor ensures quieter flights and longer durability, while features like Follow Me and Smart Return Home enhance ease of use. Whether you're a seasoned drone enthusiast or just getting started, the HS360S offers intuitive controls that make flying simple and enjoyable. For those interested in high-tech drones 2025, the HS360S is loaded with GPS-assisted navigation, auto-hover capabilities, and a smart controller for precise maneuvers. This drone is perfect for anyone seeking both value and cutting-edge technology. Elevate your aerial photography with the Holy Stone HS360S. Number 3. 1080p Camera Drone. Introducing the perfect drone for beginners and kids, this 1080p camera drone is one of the best drones 2025 and an excellent choice for those just starting their drone journey. With its foldable design, it's incredibly portable and easy to take anywhere, making it perfect for outdoor adventures and family fun. Designed with intuitive features, this drone offers voice control, allowing you to navigate hands-free for a truly immersive experience. The Gestures selfie function lets you snap photos with just a wave of your hand, adding an exciting new way to capture moments. Plus, with altitude hold, the drone hovers steadily in place, giving you more control and stability during flight. For those on the hunt for best drones under $500 2025, this quadcopter delivers impressive quality and performance at an affordable price. It also includes fun features like one-key start, making it super easy to fly for kids and beginners alike, and 3D flips for an extra dose of excitement. With 2 batteries included, you get even more flying time to enjoy your drone experience. Whether you're looking for a toy for boys and girls or want to dive into the world of drones, this drone is one of the top-rated drones 2025, offering great value for money and fun features that everyone will enjoy. Number 4. Potensic Atom 3-Axis Gimbal 4K GPS Drone. The Potensic Atom 3-Axis Gimbal 4K GPS drone is one of the top picks for the best drones 2025, offering exceptional performance and cutting-edge features in a compact, lightweight design. Weighing under 249 g, this drone is perfect for both adults and beginners looking to elevate their flying experience without the hassle of heavy equipment. Equipped with a 4K camera and 3-axis gimbal, the Potensic Atom delivers stunning video recording with incredibly smooth footage, making it one of the best drones for video recording 2025. Whether you're capturing aerial shots or cinematic footage, this drone ensures sharp, high-quality images with its 4K/30 fps quick shots. With an impressive 96 minutes of flight time and 6 km transmission range, this drone offers extended exploration, ensuring you never miss the perfect shot. Visual tracking ensures precise, automated subject following, allowing you to focus on getting the best footage without worrying about controls. Perfect for both seasoned drone enthusiasts and newcomers, this Fly More combo package includes extra batteries for even more flying fun. Whether you're a hobbyist or a budding content creator, the Potensic Atom is an excellent choice for your next drone purchase. If you're looking for a detailed drone buying guide 2025, be sure to check out the full review and subscribe for more updates on the best drones of the year. Number 5. DJI Mini 3, DJI RC. Introducing the DJI Mini 3, DJI RC, one of the best drones 2025 that offers incredible performance packed in a lightweight, user-friendly design. Perfect for both adults and professionals, this drone is ideal for capturing stunning aerial footage wherever you go. With its 3x mechanical gimbal, the DJI Mini 3 delivers incredibly stable, high-quality video, making it one of the best drones with 4K camera 2025. Whether you're shooting scenic landscapes or professional-grade video, this drone's 4K camera ensures your footage is sharp and detailed. It also features vertical shooting, perfect for capturing social media-ready content or breathtaking shots in a new orientation. With a remarkable 38-minute flight time and a 32800 feet, 10 kilometers, video transmission range, the DJI Mini 3 allows for long-distance exploration and uninterrupted filming. The GPS auto return feature ensures you can fly with confidence, knowing your drone will safely return to you when needed. As one of the best drones for professionals 2025, this drone combines portability, advanced features, and high-end camera performance, making it perfect for content creators and aerial photographers. If you're looking for the ultimate drone for stunning visuals and professional use, the DJI Mini 3 is a must-have. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information about these products, do check out my description. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.